Hello everyone, welcome to the first lecture of Selenium web application testing tool using Java lecture series. So what we learn today, what is Selenium, then what is Selenium features, then we'll learn Selenium limitations, then Selenium components, and lastly we'll see browsers, OS and programming languages supported by Selenium. So first we'll see what is Selenium. Selenium is a web application automation testing tool. It is a tool which is used to test the web application, that is your browser and the website which run on the internet. It is open source, that is free of cost. Anybody can download the Selenium tool or library files from the internet. It is developed by Jason Huggins in 2004 at ThoughtWorks. Now, what are the Selenium features? It supports multiple operating systems. It supports multiple browsers. It also supports multiple programming languages. What are the limitations of Selenium? Desktop application automation testing is not supported by Selenium. Selenium is only used to test the web application which run on the internet. But we cannot test the desktop application like Excel, PowerPoint, Word. Applications which are running on the desktop, we cannot test using Selenium. High skill set is required to write the automation test. You need to rely on community forums for technical issue resolution. Since it is an open source software, so you have to put your issues in the community forums, and it will take some time to resolve your issues because it is not a licensed software. It is a open source, so you have to wait for your technical issue to get resolved because you can only send your issue using community forums. There is no other option. Knowledge of one supported programming language is required to create the test script in Selenium WebDriver. In our lecture series, we are using Java for writing the test script. So at least support of one programming language is required when you write the test script using Selenium WebDriver. So you need to know the knowledge of at least one programming language. Then comes the Selenium components. First component is Selenium IDE. Then we have a second component as Selenium RC, also called as remote control. Then third component we have Selenium WebDriver, and fourth component of the Selenium is Selenium Grid. So we'll see the first component, that is Selenium IDE. It is a record and playback plugin. It is an add-on actually. You can go to the Firefox browser. It is a Firefox add-on and add on that plugin as an extension to your browser, and you can record and playback the test cases. It is used for doing prototype testing. Suppose you have developed the demo website or demo project, you can test using Selenium IDE. Second component of Selenium is Selenium Remote Control. It is also known as Selenium 1. Here the test scripts are executed only using JavaScript. So you need to know the JavaScript language, and using JavaScript only you can write the test script. It is not used nowadays. Third component of Selenium is Selenium WebDriver. API is used to send commands directly to the browser. We'll be learning the Selenium WebDriver using Java in our lecture series. So Selenium WebDriver is mostly used nowadays. It came into existence after Selenium Remote Control. And Selenium Remote Control and Selenium WebDriver are merged together and call it as Selenium 2. Next component of Selenium is Selenium Grid. Tests are executed simultaneously on different machines and browser when you use Selenium Grid. So you can write the test script once and you can run that script on multiple browsers at the same time, like Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera Mini. All the browsers you can use at the same time to run your script, which will save your execution time. So to minimize the execution time, you can use the Selenium Grid because it helps you to run the script parallelly on different machines and different browsers. Now we'll see the browsers supported by Selenium. First is Google Chrome, then Internet Explorer it supports. Mozilla Firefox is also supported by Selenium, Opera Mini and Safari. So all these 5 browsers are supported by Selenium. These operating systems are supported by Selenium: Macintosh, Windows and Linux. Programming languages supported by Selenium are these: Java, Perl, PHP, C Sharp, Python, Ruby. There are some more languages which are supported by Selenium, but these are the main ones which are supported by Selenium. So this was all about today's lecture. Thank you.